Is a Roth IRA for me? If you're looking to save more towards retirement planning, congrats! You've come to the right place. Hello friends, I'm Winnie Sun, longtime financial advisor and co-founder of Sun Group Wealth Partners, where we help individuals, families, and companies across the globe with their comprehensive retirement and wealth management. Saving for your future is commendable, and picking the right account and advice is key. In fact, you've probably come across the term Roth IRA. You've maybe even wondered if you qualify. Well, today, I'm going to break down some frequently asked questions on this very popular retirement savings account. What is a Roth IRA? The Roth IRA was created by Senator William Roth of Delaware and became law as part of the Taxpayer Relief Act of 1997. Now let's start with the basics. A Roth IRA is a type of individual retirement account, or IRA, that allows a person to save for retirement on a tax-free basis, providing you have income. And how much you earn here is really important, and I'm going to get to that in just a moment later in this video. The contributions to a Roth IRA are made with after-tax dollars, and any earnings grow tax-free if you keep the account open and money's invested until you reach at least the age of 59 and a half. So who is eligible to contribute to a Roth IRA? Well, great news. We love the idea of having our retirement savings grow tax-free, right? But wait, the Roth IRA may be a great idea, but for you, will you qualify to contribute to one? You see, there's going to be limitations to this. Roth IRA contributions are made with after-tax dollars. Now, eligibility for contributions is determined by your modified adjusted gross income. For the year of 2023, a single person must have a modified adjusted gross income of under $153,000. And for married individuals who file jointly, that number is $228,000 to be eligible to contribute to a Roth IRA. What is the contribution limit for a Roth IRA? For this year, 2023, the contribution limit for a Roth IRA is $6,500, and if you're over the age of 50, you get to contribute up to $7,500. Now, it's important to remember there's actually no minimum, so you don't even have to contribute if you don't want to. But the contribution limit is subject to change each year. So if you're watching this later, it's always a good idea to check the IRS website for the most up-to-date contribution limits. What are the tax benefits of a Roth IRA? When we talk about the Roth IRA, we need to discuss the tax benefits because there are many. One of the main benefits of a Roth IRA is, of course, that any qualified withdrawals, including earnings after the age of 59 and a half, are tax-free. That's right. You don't have to worry about state, federal, or local taxes. The entire retirement savings sum is yours. This means you won't owe any taxes on the money you take out of your Roth IRA in retirement. Additionally, there are also no required minimum distributions, or RMDs, during your lifetime, which means you can leave the money in your Roth IRA for as long as you like. You can even pass the account to your loved ones, but more on that in a bit. Can I withdraw my contributions from a Roth IRA at any time without penalty? Well, yes, you can. You can withdraw your contributions from a Roth IRA at any time without penalty or taxes. So if you have a stable paycheck and you want to save for retirement and an emergency fund at the same time, know that you could access your Roth IRA contribution amount in any emergency. Just try not to because, well, it's best to save for your retirement. So for example, if you contribute $6,500 into your Roth IRA this year, and say it grows to $10,000 down the road, you're able to withdraw the $6,500 contribution at any time for any reason without taxes or penalties. But the $3,500 worth of growth, well, you'll want to keep that invested. So you might ask why. Well, the IRS does state that you'll owe taxes and a 10% penalty on any earnings you withdraw before the age of 59 and a half, unless you meet certain exceptions. Always check with us, your financial advisor or your accountant before taking withdrawals. Can I convert a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA? Well, yes, you can. You can convert a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA, but it's important to remember that when you do this, you'll owe taxes on any pre-tax contributions and earnings that you convert. Make sure to consult with us, your financial advisor or tax professional, to determine if the conversion is right for you. We do not recommend DIYing a Roth IRA conversion. What happens to my Roth IRA if I pass away? When you open up a Roth IRA, we'll have you complete an account application form as well as a beneficiary designation form. Now, the beneficiary designation form is where you can list your living trusts or your loved ones, their names directly. You can designate primary and even contingent beneficiaries here on this form. And you can update your designated beneficiaries at any time, but you will need to fill out a new form and sign and date to make that change. If you pass away, your Roth IRA will pass to your designated beneficiaries. Your beneficiaries can then either withdraw the money all at once or take distributions over time, and any qualified withdrawals will be, again, tax-free. The Roth IRA seems pretty great, right? But are there any disadvantages? Well, one of the main disadvantages of a Roth IRA is that you'll owe taxes on any pre-tax contributions and earnings when you convert to a Roth IRA. When you do a Roth IRA conversion, you'll need to pay taxes. Also, direct contributions to a Roth IRA are limited based on your income. So you may not be able to contribute the maximum amount if your income is higher than the limits. I hope you found this information helpful, and I want to thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about how you can put away money into a Roth IRA or start saving for retirement, please reach out. And please take a moment to like and subscribe so that you'll be the first to know when we post our next video. Thank you and be well.